Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today's project is going to be quick and easy, and we're going to be making what Dharma calls a crop tank. I decided to turn this project inside out, that way the seams were on the outside and I could line it up easily. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And then I'm just going to simply scrunch it, and I'm going to be doing a tight scrunch on this one. Now after you get done scrunching it, you could rubber band it up or kite string it up or whatever you'd like to do. But I'm going to stick this one inside of a basket, a really tight little basket, and it's going to hold it together for me. This one is super self-explanatory, so enjoy. I got this little basket from the dollar store. I love to go to the dollar store for tie-dye gadgets, but they've raised the price. It's all $1.25 now. I wonder if that's across the board. So I'm using two baskets. The one on the bottom is there to elevate it so that the project does not sit in the melted ice water, the muck water. Today's projects are inspired by the Arizona iced tea can, you know, the one that's mint green and hot pink. It's just such a pretty color combination. And the mint green is a special order dye from Dharma Trading Company. And if you're interested in getting smaller amounts of their special order dyes, go to Facebook and go to Tie Dye Supplies Marketplace. And I get my dyes through Kathy Sprague. Next, give the project a quick little sprinkle of soda ash and add your ice. And I like to add just enough ice to where the project is covered and I'm not seeing any more fabric showing through. And then it's recommended that you let it batch at 70 degrees or higher for 24 hours after the ice melts. These batch for the full 48 hours. So now it's time for the rinse out, and you want to start by using cold water. That's going to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and then increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle using Kirillon, and that is a professional textile detergent. I'd like to do a final hot water cycle using Milsoft, and Milsoft is a professional fabric softener. And I get both of those from Dharma Trading Company, and there are links for them down below in the description box to make it easy for you to find. And I have a complete list of everything else that I use for tie-dye, so go ahead and check that out. And then I will dry them and iron them if it's needed, and we will come back and see the results. Well, here's one of them, guys, and I think it turned out really pretty. I decided to put one on Bella for reference. That way you have an idea of what they look like. She's wearing a size medium. So these are really tiny little crop top tank tops. They're super duper cute though, but you know, keep in mind that they're very small if you plan on ordering some from Dharma. I'm really happy with the color combination. I think that it does remind me of the Arizona iced tea can. It's not 100%, but I see it a little bit. Now, whenever you add green and red, so in this case, hot pink, together, you do run the risk of creating brown. And I wouldn't say that I achieved brown, but I did get sort of like an avocado green, and I like it. To me, it just adds a little more depth and interest to it other than it just being pink and green. And the mint green kind of broke down into a really pretty turquoise light blue color as well. So there's a lot of interest going on here, and I'm super happy with the way they turned out. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So what do you guys think? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing!